Welcome back again. In this video I want to show you how you can compress an audio file. Compressing an audio file is just reducing the amount of space which an audio file occupies on a storage medium. So I just want to show you how to compress an audio file. I have my audio file here. It is actually non-stop audio file. It is occupying 180 MBs on my storage device. So it is occupying 180 MBs. So we are going to compress it step by step guide. I'm going to show you a software which you can use to compress any audio. So we are going to compress this one up to like 30 MBs. So from 180 MBs to 30 MBs. So watch this video step by step guide. So let me first put this audio file into a folder. Let me put it into a folder. Let me move it to internal storage. I create a new folder and I'm going to name this folder as compressed. I'm going to name it compressed. This is our new folder. It is where I want to save all the files. Now let me show you that file. Let me show you that file within that folder. We have created our folder and we named it compressed. Let us look for our folder. Our folder is here, compressed. The one we have just created. This one, the one we just created. So if I tap on that folder, I have my single file there. I have my file, my MP3 file. Actually, it's a non-stop. It is 180 MBs. So follow this video step by step as I show you how we compress it. So this is the application we are going to use to compress our audio file. The application is called M4A Audio Compressor. M4A Audio Compressor. It is even available on Play Store. You can go to the Play Store and download this software. It is M4A Audio Compressor. So this is the software. I don't have a strong internet connection, so I won't take you to Play Store. I will not go there since my internet is very slow. But this is the application I want you to download. It is, let me write it here. If you go and search for it, you will get it. M4A Audio Compressor. And this is how it looks like. So you once you download, after downloading it, you open it. I want you to follow step by step so that you don't miss any step in this video. You watch the video. If you are on TikTok, make sure you like this video, and if you find it on our YouTube channel, our official YouTube channel is JOHNZ, make sure to subscribe. So this is what we do. You tap there, tap here to choose the files. We tap there and select a file which we want to compress. Tap there, we go to our file manager. We look for a folder where we saved the file. So the file is here and it is 180 MBs. You tap on the file, then you click next. Tap on next. Tap next. Then here, this is what you do. You have to tap on output directory where you want your file to be saved. once it is compressed, output directory. You have to tap on that option. You tap on output directory, and under output directory we go to the file explorer or our file manager. We have to look for a folder, but we want to save it within our folder. So our folder is compressed. We select it and we allow access to the folder. After that, you have to tap on this option of mode. You select mode. So we have different modes. An advanced mode. We also have a simple mode. We have two modes: simple mode and advanced. If you want to go for advanced, you customize it manually. But for me, I always want to go with simple mode. After selecting the mode, you also go down there to the compression level. Under compression level, you just slide. You tap on the slider and you select a level of compression. So a higher level of compression means the compressed length of the audio, like in MBs, will also be small. So we have selected a simple mode and the compression level is very high. So we are going to compress the total audio length. The total audio of 171 MBs is going to be compressed to 36 MBs. So once this process is finished, we are going to have our new compressed audio file of 36 MBs. Remember, from 171 MBs up to 36 MBs. So after selecting the compression level and completing each and everything, you tap on this button of start. You tap on start. Click on start. Then the process will start automatically. You give it some time. You give it like 5 minutes for the compression process to complete. So let me pause the video. I'll come back when the compression is done. So let me pause the video for now. I'll come back. So our compression process is still ongoing, and right now, as you clearly see, it is on 45%. It is doing the compression. So you have to give this process enough time. It takes time, and I advise you to give it like 20 minutes because it can take a lot of time to compress and give you an output of your desired whatever, of your desired reduced MBs. Remember, we are compressing a file of 180 MBs to 36 MBs approximately. So you remain on the video. Let me pause it for a little bit. I'll come back when the compression process is finished. So keep watching the video. If you are on our TikTok, make sure you like, and if you on our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now, so that you don't miss all our upcoming videos, all new videos which we are going to be uploading. Yeah, do that right now. So I am back and our compression process is finished. So the compression process is done and our finished output is 35.1 MBs. So this is it. it has finished. So let me take you back. Let me take you to the folder where we have saved it, and we compare an original file with our compressed file. Yeah, remember the compressed one is 35 MBs. Let me take you there in that folder. This is our folder, compressed. This is the folder, compressed, and we have two files. We have this one file, a compressed